Hi, welcome back to another video. While on vacation, I visited Èze Exotic Garden. It is a botanical garden in the village of Èze, and today I will take you for a walk around this beautiful place. Let's go! Èze is a village in southeastern France, near Monaco, and it's quite popular with tourists, so if you come here by car, finding a parking place in the center can be a bit difficult. So I parked my car outside the village and walked to it, which is actually a great opportunity to enjoy the beautiful views and plants. The Botanic Garden is at the top of a hill and you can take a shortcut directly from the main street, but it will be a shame not to take a slightly longer road and stroll through the medieval village. It's very picturesque with lots of boutiques where you can buy beautiful souvenirs. The Èze Exotic Garden is located 429 meters above the Mediterranean Sea, on the site of a medieval fortress. I always tell my friends, even if you don't like plants, it's still worth coming here to admire the spectacular view on the French Riviera. This botanical garden has a south and a north side. The south side is planted with all kinds of cacti and succulents from all continents. While the north side is planted with Mediterranean plants and plants from humid regions. What I really like about this garden is that the paths are dotted with information and curiosities about plants, as well as the historical and artistic heritage of Èze. You can also scan the QR codes of some plants to learn more about them. It is not a very large botanical garden, but there are many paths and stairs that lead to different nooks and connect with each other. So sometimes it can be a bit hard to know if you have visited everything already. This is my second time in this garden and I still feel like I have missed a few areas as I look back at the map. Well, at least that's an excuse for another visit. I hope that you enjoyed this quick virtual visit to Èze Exotic Garden. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!